Hi all, today we going to see about two websites where we can able to learn new skill during these quarantine days. Type pluralsight.com in your web browser. You can see that they're providing video course and more free for the month of April 2020. Just press the start now button. It goes to the sign up now. We need to enter our login details. Please accept the terms and privacy policy. Agree to the just wait until we receive email from them. Once you log in, you need to select the topics you like to learn. I like to learn creative and marketing. You can able to find what are the popular topics within this site. We can like to learn InDesign, WordPress. You can also do this later. Press done. You can see the welcome email from the Pluralsight site. Pluralsight contains of parts where we can able to learn in a particular path. Let me explore that path. You can see different paths available for each particular languages. Like if I like to know about creative, if I like to learn about InDesign from beginners to advanced level, you can see that they have been segregated as beginner, as intermediate, and advanced. You can able to go through each courses here and complete from beginners to advanced. Before that, we can able to check our present knowledge in that software. Like if I like to know how well InDesign is known to me before I taking the course, I can able to check now using this skill IQ. You have noted that we have never created password here, so we can able to go to that account setting and we can able to update the password here, or we can, once you come to the email, you can also create your password here and we can able to learn the new skill by going to browse. We can able to see different categories here, like for software development, from web development to in IT ones, from IT certification to other skills and information side by side. So you can also able to search through them. If I like to put InDesign, we can able to pick any skill here. You can able to get specific course using this search. Then next we can see about the second website, which is known as Dash. Here we can able to learn about basic front-end development like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Once you go to that website, you can see that Learn to Code awesome website in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is a fun and free online code that teaches you the basics of web development to projects you can do in your browser. You don't need any development coding. You can able to do in our browser itself. Press the start learning. We need to enter our personal details here. Provide your password and your location. And check this privacy policy, and you go to sign up. Once we can able to confirm your email address. Press the login with email. We need to provide, you can see the successfully signed in. Provide your name here. This is a username where you can provide details. It's already taken, so we can able to provide another username. Once you can able to see that there are different projects we will build from one stage to another. In the first stage, we will learn about build a personal website. Second project, we will learn about build a responsive blog theme. Third one, we build a business website. We build a CSS robot. In the fifth one, we build a Mad Blips game. And each, here you can see that each skill will be unlocked as we complete from project 1 to project 5. Thanks for watching the videos. Please subscribe.